Arctic fox. A is for Arctic fox. Letter B. Butterfly. B is for butterfly. C. Cat. C is for cat. D. Dog. D is for dog. E. Elephant. E is for elephant. F. Frog. F is for frog. G. Giraffe. G is for giraffe. H. Hedgehog. H is for hedgehog. I. Ibis. I is for ibis. J. Jaguar. J is for jaguar. K. Koala. K is for koala. L. Lion. L is for lion. M. Monkey. M is for monkey. N. Narwhal. N is for narwhal. O. Owl. O is for owl. P. Penguin. P is for penguin. Q. Quail. Q is for quail. R. Rabbit. R is for rabbit. S. Snake. S is for snake. T. Tiger. T is for tiger. U. Urchin. U is for urchin. V. Vulture. V is for vulture. W. Whale. W is for whale. X. X-ray fish. X is for X-ray fish. Y. yak. Y is for yak. Z. Zebra. Z is for zebra. Good job learning animals with me today. Walk good and join me again next time.